Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown, book 2. Now open your countdown. Students, as we were doing our chapter number 5, that is division. Students, today we are going to learn page number 87. Now students, open your page number 87. And our today's topic is review, in which we are going to review the multiplication and the division. Students, in the chapter number 5 division, as we have learned the multiplication and the division concepts, so in this we are going to review our chapter. So students, I am reading the first statement. Work out the sums given below. We are going to solve the sums that are given as. So students, let's start our today's lecture. Here is our first question. Look at this, student. Here 5 multiplied by 5, which means that we are going to multiply these numbers. So students, here in this, simply we will read the table of 5 till the 5. 5 5s are 25. So here we have solved our first question. And in the next, here is the table of 8. You are going to read 8 8s are. So students, read the table of 8 as we have done it earlier. So read the table of 8. Tell me, students, 8 8s are. Yes, read the table and tell me. 8 8s are. Yes, we got the number 64 here. Okay. Now this one is our part C. So students, here we are going to first identify the sign and then we are going to solve our question. Look at this. Here in the part A and in the part B, we had the signs of multiplication in both of these questions. But now in part C, we have the sign of division. Look at this. You know that this is the sign of the division. So students, in this we are going to read the table of 7 until we got the number 56 and we will write the quotient here. Look at this, students. We have learned these questions on page number 81. We have discussed these questions by the number line and we also did these questions by using our table. You can also solve these questions by the long division. So look at this, students. I am going to read the table of my divisor until I got this number. So students, read the table of 7 with me. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42 and 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 56. So look, students, I got the number 56 by which number? By the number 8. So 7 8s are 56. Okay, we can solve this by this division method and we can also solve these questions by the simple times table. You can read the table of 7 until we got 56 and the number by which we got 56 will be written here in the answer. Okay, students. So 7 8s are 56, 8 is our quotient and here is our answer. Come towards the next question, that is part D. So students, here 12 divided by 4. Read the table of 4 till we got number 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So students, here I am going to write the number 3 by which I got the number 12. Okay, if you want to check your answer, we can multiply both of these numbers. 4 threes are 12, which means that our answer is correct as we have learned the checking process earlier. Here is our next part E. So students, in this we are going to read the table of 4 till the number where we get the number 36. So read the table of 4 and tell me the answer. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, and 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, and 4 nines are 36. Here is my number 36. So I got my number by the 9. Students, you can check your answer by multiplying our answer and the second number. So let's multiply both of them. 9 fours are 36, which means that our answer is correct. Next is part F. So students, here is the sign of multiplication. So we are going to multiply these numbers. Multiply them, students. 9 nines are 81. Here is our number 81. That is our answer. Next is our part G. So students, identify the sign first. This is the sign of what? Yes, this is the sign of multiplication. So we are going to read the table of 7 with the 6. Read the table of 7 till the number 6. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and 7 fives are 35, 7 six are, tell me students, 7 six are 42. Yes, here is our answer 42. Come toward the next question, part H. Students, this one is the review of our chapter and we are going through the questions that we have done earlier. So this should be very easy for you. You can solve it within some minutes. Now let's read the table of 6 till the number 10. This is very easy. We know that 6 tens are 60. This is the more simple questions. Next is our part I. So students, let's read the table of 9 till the number 36. We have done these questions earlier with the change in it. So students, read it. Read the table of 9 where we got the number 36. Read it with me. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, and 9 fours are 36. So our answer is 4. You can read the table of 9 and the 4. By multiplying them, we can check our answer. Next is part J. So students, here is the sign of division. So we are going to divide the 21 by the number 7. Read the table of 7 where we got the number 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 7 threes are 21. So our answer is 3. Okay. Here is our next part, K. Read the table of 7 where we got the number 42. Students, we have done it earlier in the part G, but with a difference. This was the multiplication and this is the division. Both are reversed to each other. Now look at this, students. This reversal can be used in this. 7 6 are 42. So 7 6 are 42. Our quotient is 6. You will read the table of 7 till the number 6 and we got the number 42. Next, here is a sign of multiplication. Read the table of 5 till the 9. Read it with me, students. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. So here is answer 45. Okay, this is very easy. Now come towards the next step, that is part M. So students, read the table of 6 till the 9 and tell me the answer. You will read it by yourself. Tell me the answer. 6 nines are? Yes, our answer is 54. You can pause this video and can answer these questions. Next is our part N. So students, read the table of 8 till the number 5. 8 fives are 40. So here is our answer, that is 40. Now come towards the part O. So students, read the table of 10 till the 9. The table of 10 is very easy for you. Read it with me. 10 nines are 90. Here is our answer, 90. Here is our part B. So students, here is we have the sign of multiplication. So we are going to multiply these numbers. 8 fours are, or you can read the table of 4 till the 8. So students, read the table of 8 till the number 4. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, and 8 fours are 32. Here is our answer, 32. Come towards the next step, that is part Q. So students, division of the same number by the same number will answer as the number 1. As we know that 50 divided by 50, if a number divides upon the same number, then our answer is 1. Next is multiplication. 9 sevens are, read the table of 9 till the 7. 9 sevens are 63. Here is our answer, 63. Next part is S. Student, read the table of 14. 0 multiplied by 0. So students, if 0 is multiplied with any number, then answer will be 0. Students, 0 is a magical word. When it is multiplied with the number, then the number and the whole of the value will become 0. Okay? Remember it. Next is party. In this, multiplication is done. So students, read the table of 7 till the 8. 7 eights are 56. Come towards the next question, part U. Students, 9 threes are 27. As we know that the table of 9. And next is division. Here is the sign of division. So students, we are going to read the table of 7 till the number where we got 35. Now read the table and find where we get the number 35. Read it with me, students. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. Look, we got the number 35. By which number? 5. 7 fives are 35. Here is the part W. 9 will be divided by the number 63. So student, read the table of 9 where we get the number 63. As we have done it earlier, you can find it in the above questions. Here is answer, 63. So 9 sevens are 63. It means that 9 sevens are 63. You can read the table of 9 till the number 7. Now multiply these and you will get this number, which means that our answer is correct. Here you are going to multiply 7 with the 7. 7 sevens are, read the table of 7 and tell me the answer quickly. 7 sevens are 49. Very good. So students, this was the last question of our today's topic. So students, today on page number 87, we have learned and review our concepts of multiplication and the division. Okay, students, hope this will be clear to you and try to do these questions by yourself. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.